Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the YouTube channel Run for Cover. Today I am here to tell you about a best reference book for social science class 10th. This book is one of the number one bestseller reference book for CBSE board exams. I had provided a link to buy this book in the description. You people can check out there. Now let's see the book. This book is published by Golden. It is provided with the sample papers. It is strictly based on NCERT and many other silent features are there. You can read out them. You can see the writers here who has written the book. And then the content is there. It includes all the chapters which are in NCERT. Now the unit 1, India and the contemporary world. Second, in history, it is provided with the datelines for the quick revision, which actually helps a lot during revision. As you are seeing here, then the NCERT text exercises are there. A lot of questions are there. This book also provides the similar questions so that we don't confuse in the language of the question during the exam. That's really nice. And other questions means this book also provides the topic wise questions of from the NCERT book. That means it pick up the paragraph and then made the question answers based on the para. That means it prepares every line of the NCERT. This book also includes the MCQ questions, activities. Here you are saying that the activity given, and then the multiple choice questions. And the multiple choice questions are also given topic wise topic from the NCERT. Guys, this book also includes the practice question at the last of a chapter, which are also topic wise topic according to the NCERT. Now I guess you had an idea how the questions are designed in the history in this book. Now let us see how the chapters are designed in the geography, what are included in that chapters in geography. Unit 2, India, Resource and Their Development. That the first chapter is resource and development. First the technical terms are given, then the important points that are also topic wise topic. Each topic is covered in this book. Now the NCERT textbook exercises with solutions are given here. Then the other questions as we have in history topic wise topic. Here also we have the other questions topic wise topic, and then activities and all these things will be there. Here there are NCERT in test questions that are given in between the text. Now the multiple choice questions, and they had explained everything using the graphs or kind of that. Then the practice questions that we have to do by self. That's all. This book is a great book that you need to study. This book provides a guarantee for golden success. At last, thanks a lot. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends who actually searching for the book. Link of the book is given in description. You can check out there. Thank you for watching.